Sending money from Pakistan to Egypt can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to choose a reliable money transfer service that operates in both Pakistan and Egypt. Some popular options include banks, money transfer companies like Western Union and MoneyGram, and online services such as PayPal and Xoom. First, determine the amount of money you want to send and the exchange rate. You can check the current exchange rate on the website of the money transfer service you have chosen. Next, gather the necessary documents, including your identification, the recipient's identification, and their bank account details if you are sending money directly to their bank account. To send money, you can either visit a physical branch of the money transfer service or use their online platform. If you are using a bank, you will need to fill out a transfer form and provide the required documents. If you are using an online service, you will need to create an account, add the recipient's details, and enter the amount you want to send. Once you have initiated the transfer, you will receive a transaction reference number. Share this number with the recipient so they can track the status of the transfer. The recipient can then receive the money from a local branch of the money transfer service or have it deposited directly into their bank account. It is essential to consider the fees and charges associated with the transfer. Different services charge different fees, so it is crucial to compare rates before making a transfer. Additionally, be aware of the transfer limits and any restrictions that may apply. To ensure a smooth and secure transfer, make sure to use a reputable service and follow their guidelines. Keep a record of the transaction, including the reference number and the amount sent. If you encounter any issues, contact the customer support of the money transfer service for assistance. In conclusion, sending money from Pakistan to Egypt is a relatively simple process. By choosing a reliable service, gathering the necessary documents, and following the steps outlined, you can securely and efficiently transfer money to your loved ones in Egypt. Always compare rates, consider fees, and follow best practices to ensure a successful transfer.